Hello, everyone from the internet. This is your international crypto asset ninja speaking. Today, we are going to explore one of the big news in the industry that possibly points to potential upside for investments. But before we begin, just the usual disclaimer that I am in no way any form of financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor, so all the information I share over here are for pure entertainment purposes only. So let's dive right into the news. So today I'd like to introduce to all of you guys this very interesting company called Grayscale. So Grayscale is an investment company that invests into the digital future, as it says over here, a trusted authority in terms of digital currency investing. Grayscale provides secure access and diversified exposure to a variety of digital currency asset class, and it is in the forefront of investment in this area. And let's take a look at what do they aim to provide. Okay, they provide investors with a established, trusted, and accountable partner to help them navigate through the digital currency investing. They build transparent and familiar investment products that facilitate access to this growing asset class, and also a springboard to invest in the newest digital currencies available, powered by the Internet of Money. Okay, according to them, the selling point for Grayscale is that they are simple and reliable to market access, and they are supported by a network of trusted service providers, and they are actually auditable ownership through traditional investment vehicles. I believe talking about unit trust over here. And I shall play this short video that explains a little bit more.
Before money, people traded goods, tools, cattle, grain, even shells represented value. Then currency came along. They made it out of copper, gold, silver, wampum. Soon people decided to put all that value into a piece of paper, then proceeded to wave goodbye to value, printing unlimited amounts of money as they passed the buck to the future. That's why it's time for digital currency and your investment in the Grayscale funds. Go digital, go Grayscale. Before money, people traded goods.
Now, just bring your attention to the list here. Currently, Grayscale's unit trust or trust funds actually invest in Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Horizon, Litecoin, Stellar Lumens, XRP, and Zcash. So these are the access at which you can reach with Grayscale investments. Okay, and it's covered in major media: CNBC, Bloomberg, Forbes, Investment News, Barron's, Wall Street Journal, Financial Advisor, Pensions and Investments. Well covered in the mainstream media, as we can see over here. And apparently, if you reside in the US, these are some text documents available whereby you can actually be, I think they aim to provide peace of mind for people who wants to have more hassle-free investment into digital assets instead of doing it yourself. And as you can see, the typical investor relations and general inquiries, financial advisors available as well. I think they are trying to go towards the kind of full suite service that banks or investment management companies actually do provide currently. And over here, if you wish to read more, you can actually find out more over here. And in terms of products, as of now, the ones they do have single asset investment into the unit trust, or they do have diversified uh, large cap fund for, I think the minimum investment is pretty large, and then all range of products. So if you were to do a quick comparison, so according to their breakdown over here, you can see single asset products such as all these unit trusts invest particularly into each one of the assets depending on what you choose, and annual fees differ from 2% to 3%. And the digital asset holdings in recorded in millions, a large proportion is in Bitcoin, and then followed by in Ethereum, and the rest are according to various distributions. And minimum sum investment start from 25,000. Besides Bitcoin, which is 50,000, a bigger quantum of entry. And here shows the performance indicator of the past 12 months, which is most of them are in the green zone now, 50% the greatest, and then some of them are in the negative, okay, 24%, negative 12%. Okay, and then as you can see, since its inception, the growth has been pretty wide ranging depending on what asset class you are looking at. And the next thing we look at is the diversified products. I believe this large cap fund, it's for a mix of various of these digital currencies in this basket. And annual fees are 3% and the minimum is 50,000 as well. And as you can see, if you were to be interested, you can read up more from the website. And this is Grayscale. So we take a quick look at the Twitter profile of Grayscale CEO, current CEO. Um, it is none other than Barry Silbert. And Barry Silbert recently is proud to present to you an updated version of the various unit trusts available for investment. And total quantum being 6.1 billion. This huge amount. And recently, if you followed the news, I think they actually increased their holdings in various of the assets in preparation for influx of people coming into this field. Okay, and next up, we will also take a look at the um, a quick article over here sharing about grayscale investments. Um, Please do your own due diligence and own market research before you decide to do any investments, because I am not a financial advisor, so all the information is provided just for your entertainment purposes only. Over here, they share that this different unit trusts, okay, actually goes into secondary markets for private placements. So they provide private placements for accredited investors, meaning that typically have a higher net worth than the average retail investors. And over here, there is a highlight of the investment objective, that what kind of underlying digital assets are they following the price, and hence what kind of classification is it under. You can read up more on this. And yep. Okay, so I think up and coming, those of you who are keen, is good news for everyone, because as digital cryptocurrency become more and more widespread and popular to the general public, it means that a larger liquidity will be coming into this market, and that helps in the potential upswing in the future. So I hope you enjoyed the information shared with you today. And be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And as usual, this is your international crypto asset ninja speaking to you, signing off. Goodbye.